So we just finished loading up the car and we're going camping again. Yippee! So Kevin's setting out to drive. We got all our gear. We're going to a campsite at Megalong Valley up in the Blue Mountains. So we're pretty excited. Apparently there's gonna be some horses and donkeys. There's gonna be mountains, good views, and just very chill. So another chill camping weekend. I think Kevin and I have fallen in love with camping. So we bought a portable battery. We bought the EcoFlow River 2. So we're gonna test it out, see how it goes. We're just using it to charge our devices, not anything too intense, but should be good. Whoa, guys, we arrived! Megalong Farm. Oh my god, guys! Wow! So we just have to stop by reception to check in, and then I'm sure they'll show us our site, but it looks really cool! Woohoo! Woo! Here's reception! Oh my god! They're so cute! Hi, buddy! You're so cute! Oh, I love you, buddy! Hello! Hello! Oh, you guys! Oh, look at them! Oh, buddy! Okay, so now we're heading to our site. So the great thing about this campsite is we can actually choose where we want to camp. We're like, there's just like designated areas. So we're here now. We're driving up and we're gonna go into the campsite. This is the entire campsite. Showers, toilets here, toilets here, toilets here. And we're allowed to basically camp anywhere here except for the caravan area. So we're gonna suss out what's quiet and we'll go from there. We picked this spot, so we have the mountains in our view and the toilets are just up there, toilets and showers.
You didn't have Just finished our tent and we're gonna go pee pee.
Wow, look behind you. Oh my lord, it's gorgeous. Oh wow. So it looks like toilets right, I mean showers. So we've set up our kitchen. This is our tent, how it's looking, the lights. We have this little toy. This is our EcoFlow River. So essentially it's a portable battery and it's pretty strong. Be able to charge a lot of stuff. Got an out plug, got USB-C, USB. But yeah, that should be cool. In here. I prepared it at home. It's Wagyu. Sorry. I'm gonna cut it into thirds maybe. And then you put it in the pot. I'll show you later, I'll show you later. And a stock, beef stock. tiny bit of soy sauce. And some dashi. Bonito flavoring seasoning. Ready. So, this is the sauce. Ta-da!
Thank you. Wow.
Ooh. Go try it. Right, we're gonna boil down this liquid and then add some rice to it and stir fry it up.
Not that ashy. It's because I'm white.
What do you rate it?
Very good. Very yummy.
Oh yeah. Alright everybody, we just had dinner and we're changing to our PJs. We're gonna relax. It is currently 8 o'clock, so we might sleep early, who knows? We usually sleep early when we're camping, which we love. We just get so much sleep, so it should be good. Good morning, guys. So we just woke up, 7 a.m. We're gonna go brush our teeth. Stir fry, I think it's never enough. Oh my lord. Ooh. Hey guys, update. It is 10:30. Kevin's gone to relax inside. I'm having my coffee and ding dongs. But yeah, chilling, doing nothing, being lazy. That's the life. So until lunch. Right guys, so we are going to reception to buy some firewood. Look who it is! Oh my goodness! You're such a friendly lady! Hi!
It's so new. No, don't roll over me.
Oh my goodness! My gosh! We're trying to get firewood, but we're getting distracted by this lovely, lovely lady. You lovely lady. Look at her. Oh my.
Is it a paw?
It's gonna roll over again.
Okay.
Oh my.
Okay.
That's how she gets us.
Camera.
Oh my gosh, guys. Look at these guys.
Okay, babe.
Oh my god. Hi.
No, that's not.
It's right there. What?
Hey, Papa.
Wow. Okay, firewood secured. Oops. All right. God dang it. Yes! Alright, y'all, it's finally lunchtime. Boom. We're doing tteokbokki and salmon sashimi. Yee! Salmon sashimi. With calamansi sauce with some. Oh! Hi!
Hey, Baba.
Hello!
It's him again.
You're wet, buddy.
No, not today. You're drenched. You're so cute, though.
You're so cute, buddy.
You have a good swim?
That's where you were. We were looking for you earlier. Kevin's doing the tteokbokkis. The duck baggies. Wow. This is the food spread. Yeah. Okay, so we can't finish the tteokbokki, and there's no like bin. You have to take your own rubbish. So we're trying to transfer the tteokbokki into here because we don't really want to. We could, but for some reason he thinks it's a better idea to do this. So this is what we're doing. That's disgusting. Ew! Love, that's disgusting! Look at your finger! Ew! Oh my god. Alright, update. It just got really sunny all of a sudden. The puffer vest is out. And it is 3:25, 3:30. And look how sunny it is. And the clouds. So we were preparing to set up a fire, but we're gonna wait until it cools down a bit. But it's really lovely. And we're just gonna relax until dinner. Oh. Oh, I'm a bit scared. Oh, you're coming really fast. Hello. Oh my goodness. Oh, hi. Hello. Oh. Oh. You're so friendly. Oh my god, you're really going at it. Oh my gosh. Hi. Oh my god. This is like the coolest thing ever. Mans is making mee goreng because he's hungry. This is Heavenly Cookie Show.
Hey, come here. Perfect fit. Boy, get some salt somewhere.
Everyone, he's pissing. He's pissing.
I never cooked it. Oh well.
Like I said. Alright guys, Kevin has given me permission to start the fire in advance. While he's eating over there, I'm doing the manly duties and starting the fire. So, I pre-cut some smaller logs in advance and kept them in the fire bag. Now, I'm gonna start a fire. So first step is I'll stack these. Stack, stack, stack. I'll keep the smaller one. That's a big one. I think it's working, guys. Ooh, no fire starters. Yay, Lummy! It's working. Alright guys, it's dinner time. All our meats. It's the meat. Hi guys, welcome to my cooking show. We got mangoes! Look at this cross section.
Wow, mango. Wow.
Ooh.
Wow. Just like you.
Oh. Good morning, guys. So we are awake. Great views. Kangaroos jumping through the property. Labradors coming through the property. And now we're on pack up mode. So you can see we've packed down some things, and so our tent's a bit messy, but we must say goodbye to this amazing, amazing place. So look at this standard design. Trash, rubbish, slow to pack up, difficult, arduous, just all around pain in the ass, right? Let's look at this.
It's not gonna fit.
There you go. Now, watch this, viewers. This is why you get a camping bag like mine. Because, you know, genius design. Just very thoughtful. And he's done too. Around because, you know, it's a farm, so there's horses and donkeys and kangaroos, so lots of dookie to look out for, but great views, the mountains, facilities were pretty good, and the dogs were amazing. Until next time, laters!
Wait. No.
So we have to check out from the master first. I'm gonna say goodbye.
He's so cute. Hi, Baba. Hello, Baba.
I love her.